Hey, life coaches and other online marketers. Are you feeling tired and frustrated with your email marketing? The constant juggling of different platforms or the high costs of all in one platforms like ClickFunnels, Kartra, Go High Level, and others? Well, I've got good news. You've got now an affordable alternative. groove.cm recently announced a limited time offer on their enterprise plan. And I must say, it's quite a generous offer. But more on that later. In the previous video, I've shared my experience using Groove pages. Well, in this video, I'm going to share my experience using GrooveMail, another app I regularly use in groove.cm. Let's be honest, email marketing is crucial for life coaches and other online marketers. It's how you build your relationship with your audience, how you nurture your leads, and how you get your message out there. So, with all the options out there, it can be hard to find the tool that's right for you. That's why I hope this video will help in your decision making process. As I've mentioned before, I use GrooveMail on a regular basis, and I've seen lots of new features being added to this app. If you want to take a look for yourself, you can go over to groove.cm's website. I will also leave a link, my affiliate link, in the description of this video. You can go over to the apps, then you can go and have a look at Mail, GrooveMail, and you can come over here and you can look at the overview where it's a quick video just taking you through everything on GrooveMail, and then you can also see where Mike Fulsheim takes you through a demo, an in-depth demo of the whole GrooveMail app. All right. As a life coach or an online marketing consultant like myself, you will probably appreciate how GrooveMail can help you build a strong email list, nurture your client relationships, promote your coaching offers, and ultimately help you grow your online business. In the last video, we have built an opt-in page in Groove Pages. In this video, we're going to connect a form to our opt-in page so that we can start collecting email addresses. All right. So step one would be to upload your freebie file. If you remember correctly, in the last video, I've mentioned that we will use a reputable PLR site for coaches, and we've used their material. Also find my referral link in the description of this video if you are interested to find out more. All right, so let's go over to Groove CM. I've already logged in, and on this side I'm over here, Groove member. So let's upload a file, give it a name, and then select the file and upload. There you go. Now you have to come over here, copy the URL because we're going to use it later on. The next step will be to build your form in GrooveMail. So let's go over to GrooveMail. We are now in this app, GrooveMail, and we're going to create a new form and call it Abundance Guide Signups. Save and continue. Right, so here we are on our form builder. You can see over here you've got some templates that you can use. You can use any of these. So for instance, we want to use the simple blue button one. We can use this one. All right, there you go. And here you can add fields. For example, if you want to add a heading, you can go ahead and do this here. And if you want to add a subheading, you can add the subheading here. And now you can actually move these to the top. All right. And you can customize this form for your own needs. At this point, I won't change it. I'll just keep it simple. Then you can move to the next section, save and next. Here is where you actually design your form. For instance, you can go over here and change the text color to something else. For example, maybe gray. And you can actually change the font and the size of the font, and you can just go over here and make the necessary changes, and you can also change the background as well. Then you have to save it. We can save it locally for this instance. All right, and then we can go to the next section where we can actually select a list. It's very important that you have a list. If you don't have one, you can create one over here, and we can call them abundance. Right, create a list and then select it. And then I wouldn't fill in any of these, as you can do it in another section, which is where you actually do your automations and your sequences. Single opt-in, I will leave it at that, as that's the easiest option. Then this is for your success page. After they signed up, they will be directed to this page. So we can have a look at our page over here, and we can go to the thank you page, which I've just imported something from the templates, and we can then just copy the link over here and input it in here. Right, then you can leave all of these and save and next. We'll leave this as it is for now. You can also add your file, the one that we've uploaded to here, and it will send it to them directly, or you can include it into your email you want to send them. Right, so we can do save and next, and your form has been created. If you don't want to use groove.cm, Groove Pages or any of that, you can also embed this form from GrooveMail into your WordPress or any other site. All right, so we're done here. We will click finish. Let's see what's our next step to pull the form into our opt-in page. All right, so we'll go to Groove Pages. We'll go to Groove Pages to our page. And here we've got the form container. We will delete this one, and we will add from the elements a Groove app, the Groove mail form, and we will put it down here, right? Here you go. You can see it's pulled in here. Now we're going to go into this element, and we are going to use a preset. We have created the Abundance Guard Up Sign Up one. Then we're going to select a preset that was the simple blue one. Okay, we're going to update. If we want to change, we can go in here and change it in Groove Forms. Update and close and save. Right, this is the one option. Here you can go and you can resize it according to your specific need. You can resize it over here. Right. This is one of the options you can use to pull in your form from GrooveMail. I, however, like to use a different way. So let's delete this. Go to our elements and choose a button. I will choose one of these buttons. Let's use the yellow one and I'll drop it over here. And now you can leave the button like that, or you can go to layout and you can actually put it in the middle. Save it like that. Now we can go into the configuration setting and link this to a pop-up and select the type, which is quick pops. And now we can select the content, and this will be from Groove Mail form. And we're going to select the abundance one that we've created. All right, and then the redirect link will be a page and it will redirect them to the freebie success page. All right, and here you can also set your button size. We'll leave it at small, and you can set an appearing animation and when you pop up leaves. All right, here you can actually change the call to action on your button. For example, get your abundance guide. All right, and then you can update this. So now if you go into your configure settings, you will see it's linked to a pop-up. The type is quick pops. This is just a tool that lets you display a pre-made pop-up without you needing to create a completely new one from scratch. Then it's a GrooveMail form. This is the form. Here is your redirect link that will take your visitors to the success page. All right, so all of that is correct. You can save this and publish this page. So let's take a look and see. Right, so you can see here's the button, click on the and a pop-up appears. So there you have it. We've built a form with GrooveMail so that you can start collecting your email addresses. Ultimately, you need to make a decision what platform will serve your business and you the best. So go out there and check out other platforms such as ClickFunnels, Kartra, Go High Level, and also take a look at groove.cm. Let me know in the comments below what your findings are. Also, if you've got any questions on GrooveMail, let me know in the comments below. And remember, while this offer is still around, make use of groove.cm's generous pricing offer. It comes to about less than $42 per month that you pay for your enterprise all-in-one solution if you pay yearly. I will encourage you to go ahead and sign up for a free trial where you don't even need to input your credit card details. If you sign up to groove.cm using my affiliate link, I will also include exclusive bonuses to help you in starting to attract your ideal clients. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to leave a comment if you've got any questions on GrooveMail or if you want to share your experience with other all-in-one marketing platforms. See you in the next one.